Beautiful birds. Here are 10 of the most popular and remarkable bird species. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity and beauty found in the avian world. There are many more fascinating bird species across the globe, each with its unique characteristics and adaptations. Bald eagle. The national bird and symbol of the United States, the bald eagle is known for its striking white head and brown body. It is a powerful bird of prey and symbolizes strength and freedom. Peacock. Known for its extravagant and colorful plumage, the peacock is native to South Asia. The male's distinctive tail feathers, or train, with iridescent blue and green colors, make it one of the most visually stunning birds. African gray parrot. Recognized for its exceptional intelligence and ability to mimic human speech, the African gray parrot is native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa. It is one of the most popular pet bird species. Flamingo. Flamingos are large wading birds known for their long legs, unique curved bills, and vibrant pink plumage. They live in large flocks and are found in various parts of the world. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny, colorful birds known for their ability to hover in midair and fly backward. They have incredibly fast wingbeats and are found exclusively in the Americas. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that have adapted to life in the southern hemisphere, particularly Antarctica. They are known for their distinct black and white coloration, waddling walk, and their ability to swim. Golden pheasant. Native to the forests of China, the male golden pheasant displays an array of vibrant colors, including a golden crest, red body, and a long, colorful tail. It is considered one of the most beautiful birds in the world. Atlantic puffin. Puffins are seabirds that inhabit the northern parts of the Atlantic Ocean. They are characterized by their strikingly colorful beaks and bright orange feet. Puffins are adept swimmers and excellent divers. Scarlet Macaw. With its vibrant red, blue, and yellow plumage, the scarlet macaw is one of the most stunning parrot species. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, it is known for its intelligence and ability to mimic sounds. Great hornbill. Found in the forests of Southeast Asia, the great hornbill is a large and distinctive bird. It has a large yellow bill with a prominent casque on top. Known for their loud calls and unique appearance, they are considered a symbol of good luck in some cultures.
There is so much more to explore and discover. Please subscribe to my channel to get more information and knowledge. See you soon with lots more information.